What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Good morning. So, market kind of turning around from that little bit of a relief rally over yesterday and the day before. But you guys were all prepared for this because we've talked about it over the last 2 weeks, right? So you knew this was coming. I know a lot of you guys have been talking to me, telling me that you're holding on to that dry powder. You're holding on for that 68, 69K Bitcoin. Are we working our way back down? Let's have a look here. What do we got? Jasmy down 4.5% on the day, 24 on the week, 43 on the month, and 37.8 on the year. We're down 5 spots and ranked to 91. $623 million market cap, 48 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 6.5% on the day, 21 on the week, 50.8 on the month, but up 83.9 on the year. We're down 10 spots in rank to 299, a $105 million market cap, 3 million in volume. The volume is horrible volume. Horrible volume. ZBEC down 6.5% on the day, 3.8 on the week, and 6 on the month. Down 18 spots to 413, $66 million market cap, 24 million in volume. XCN down 7.7% on the day, 13 on the week, 43 on the month, but up 290% on the year. We're down 7 spots on rank to 118. $423 million market cap, 73 million in volume. Let's go look at some chart action, shall we? All right. Here we go, guys. So we did actually come inside this golden pocket up here that I've had here for you guys, where I said we were going to bounce up between 84 and 86, and we did. We had 2 days of pumpage, and now here we are back down to $81,150. Are we coming back down? Are we finally working our way down? Now, guys, listen, this isn't going to be like one candle all the way down to 68, 69K, right? We're going to work our way down to that level, right? So yeah, before we work our way back up. So could we come back up inside of here a little bit? Yeah, we could. Honestly, guys, we could. There's a small chance we could come all the way back up between like 89 and 91K. We could come all the way back up here. We could. I don't think that it's I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's plausible. I don't think it's going to happen right now. And even if we did, we would still come down to 68, 69K, right? I think that there is no avoiding this. I think we got to get it over with. In saying that, what would invalidate that for me, because people get what would invalidate that? If we got above 91, 92K, right? So if we got back, let's say we get back inside this golden pocket up here, this box, and started closing daily candles up there, that would invalidate it to me. So anything really above this blue line and into this purple box, if we started closing daily candles up there, that would invalidate 68, 69K for me. So the first thing we have to do is start closing above 91K, because as long as we are below 91K on a closing basis, we are still in a downtrend, right? So we would have to invalidate that downtrend by setting a higher high, period, full stop. So anything other than that, and we're coming down here. Some people think we're only coming down between 72 and 74K, and that's, I see the argument there. I think Caesar is calling for 72 to 74K, something like that, right? I still think we need to sweep the lows down here, though, at 69K. Even if it's just on a wick, I think that we have to do it. We have to touch the previous all-time high before moving up. All-time high is like 69,800 or something like that, right? So I think we'll sweep that low. I really do. And it would be healthy. We've gone over it in the past, guys, where, in 2017, we did the exact same thing. We swept the low. So there's people out there saying this has never happened before. Yes, it has. They just don't know how to read charts. They just don't know how to go back in history and look, right? Either they don't know how or they're too lazy to, one of the two. But this has, in fact, very much happened before. Go going over our favorite altcoins, looking at the Jasmy charts. So we came back up inside of this falling wedge, and we're inside it right now, just riding the bottom trend line at 1 cent 3. Will we hold or will we fall lower? Well, Bitcoin falls lower, then obviously Jasmy is going to fall lower. But will 1 cent 2 hold as support, which it has so far, or are we making our way down to 1 cent? 1 cent. We'll see. We shall see. What else do we have? ZBEX still in its downward structure here. Again, guys, we absolutely nailed this trade over on the Patreon the other day. We sold up here. We sold our highs up here. We bought back in down here at the low. We're still dollar cost averaging, guys. And if we do not hold this level here at 308, you know, I think we could come down below here, but I think that it would probably be on a wick, either on a daily or a weekly time frame. We would just wick down and come back up. It has been a very, very strong level of support, as you can see, for a long time. So I think it would take quite a bit for that level to break. But yeah, what an opportunity, though, guys. What an opportunity to dollar cost average, you know. So like over on the Patreon, we bought in all these lows, guys. For months, we were buying in the bottom of this, and then we sold way up at the top. And then we started a new position down here at the bottom again, guys. You want to get in on these swing trades, guys. Get over to the Patreon for that stuff. And before I go any further, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. The link is in the description down below, guys. Use our link to get a special deal. Fantastic. Hold your own crypto. Do not trust exchanges. Listen, you can swap on your Decent wallet from your projects, from whichever crypto you want, over to your stablecoin to secure your profits. If you're holding your money on exchanges, they can freeze your ability to trade. They do it all the time. And then you're stuck. You can't take profits, right? You can do that very easily on your Decent wallet, right? Also, if the exchange you're holding on goes insolvent, guess what? Your money's gone forever. And you can also avoid hacks. Do not get hacked. Do not get scammed. Hold your own money, guys. Get yourself a Decent wallet. Again, special deal, link down below. You will be sorry at some point if you do not hold your own crypto, not your coins, not your keys, not your coins, right? So, all right, let's look at Swiftcoin's chart. Let's see what's happening over on Swift. All right, so coming back down to test this, seems like we have a little bit of a support level right about here. Right about here. It seems to be holding so far. Right at the 1 cent 03 level. Will we collapse below, or will we hold support? Well, if Bitcoin continues down, you know the answer to that, guys. We will continue lower. And if we do continue sub penny, I will continue to scoop up. That would actually be absolutely crazy. It would be crazy opportunity, in my opinion. All right, and Onyx coin, we had the breakout. We failed the breakout. We're coming back down inside of the falling wedge, guys. Listen, we're inside. Get the hiccups. We're inside bullish structures on most of these altcoins. The problem, the reason we keep failing these breakouts is because there's no volume in the market. There's no power. There's no money to drive it higher, right? So as long as there's no volume in the market, these breakouts are going to continue to fail, right? So it's just opportunity, I suppose, to scoop up. I know I'm continuing to scoop up. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong and we go into a bear market, but I highly doubt it, right? I highly doubt it. I'm just going to keep buying. I'm going to keep buying, guys. I see what's coming. All right. So what do we have? Jasmy and Chainlink. Yes, you heard me right. This flew under the radar because it was announced the day of the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve tweet by Trump. But this is from the official Jasmy X account. Jasmy has officially adopted the cross-chain token standard to enable native transfers between Ethereum and Base using Chainlink's CCIP technology. Yes, we're going to go further into it, guys. That's what we do here. We deep dive, right? So what do we have? Jasmy and its L2 JANCTION adopts the Chainlink standard to unlock secure cross-chain token transfers. We're excited to announce that Jasmy has adopted Chainlink's CCIP, the standard for secure cross-chain interoperability across the Base and Ethereum mainnets. Jasmy's next-gen platform, which leverages blockchain and IoT technology, is using the cross-chain token standard to facilitate the native cross-chain transfers of its Jasmy token across chains. Adopting the CCT standard will enhance the liquidity of Jasmy, which has over a $600 million plus market cap across the multi-chain economy. The market cap actually got as high as $2 billion in December. Very interesting. Additionally, JANCTION, a layer 2 blockchain incubated by the Jasmy community, will adopt Chainlink's CCIP as its canonical cross-chain infrastructure. CCIP will enable Jasmy's developers to build secure cross-chain applications on JANCTION and drive the adoption of blockchain and IoT technologies. As concerns over data privacy and security breaches have grown, data democracy has emerged to help return the control of personal data to individuals. Jasmy's platform seeks to enable secure data exchange using blockchain technology, fostering a user-oriented digital era in this new information-driven economy. We selected CCIP as our interoperability solution because CCT enable self-serve deployments, full control and ownership for developers, enhanced programmability, and zero slippage transfers, all backed by CCIP's defense in-depth security. With it being the only interoperability solution achieving level 5 cross-chain security. Thanks to its principle-driven approach, Chainlink has built one of the largest ecosystems in blockchain industry and is the blockchain connectivity standard within capital markets. Connecting Jasmy to the Chainlink community and ecosystem offers a multitude of growth opportunities that help Jasmy get closer to its goals and increase the ecosystem's adoption. In order to help secure our cross-chain token transfers of Jasmy, we needed access to highly secure and reliable interoperability solutions. After reviewing various solutions, we integrated Chainlink because it provides a multitude of important benefits and features, such as adopting the CC standard provides key benefits. Defense in-depth security. CCTs are secured by Chainlink, CCIP, which is powered by the same battle-tested decentralized Oracle network infrastructure that has enabled $19 trillion in on-chain transactions value since the start of 2022. Developer control and flexibility. Token developers retain full ownership of their token contracts, CCIP token pools, and customize implementation logic, including rate limits across chains. This autonomy eliminates vendor lock-in, hard-coded logic, or external dependencies, allowing developers to customize functionality without compromising security. Self-serve and permissionless. Token developers can launch new CCT or make an existing token a CCT in self-serve manner within minutes. When creating CCTs, CCIP contracts verify token contract ownership on-chain to avoid fragmentation and help token developers remain in control of their tokens. Developers also have access to a number of resources to make CCT creation process and ongoing management seamless, including a token manager, CCIP Explorer, CCIP Directory, and accompanying documentation, both tutorials and scripts. Extendable and future-proof. CCIP is built to be future-proof for developers where future improvements can continue to be made, including the integration of new blockchain networks, the onboarding of additional tokens, and the incorporation of new defense in-depth approaches to security. We're excited to adopt the cross-chain token standard to power secured transfers of Jasmy's across Base and Ethereum as the standard for cross-chain interoperability. Chainlink's CCIP is key to expanding across the multi-chain economy, says Hara and the Marvel Multiverse. We're excited to see Jasmy adopt the Chainlink standard and connect to the multi-chain ecosystem. Interoperability is a critical component in the on-chain economy, and we look forward to seeing how Jasmy leverages Chainlink's CCIP to innovate across the blockchain industry. That is the head of blockchain partnerships at Chainlink Labs. So there you go, guys. Massive deal. What the hell's I lost the word. Anyway, massive deal here, guys. For some reason, the word has left my head. I don't know why. Collaboration, massive collaboration here between Jasmy and Chainlink. You love to see it. Interoperability between Base and Ethereum, guys. Very big in my opinion. But as always, I want to know what you guys think. And trust me when I say I think we have a lot more major announcements coming out about Jasmy by the end of this month and the beginning of April, guys. It is their year end over there, and that is generally where they come out with their 2025 roadmap, among other major announcements and technology releases, which is likely why they launched the test net about a month ago, because they probably want to have their main net up and running for JANCTION by the end of this month, provided there are no setbacks. So listen, guys, now is the perfect time to get over to the Patreon and get the help that you need reallocating and redesigning your portfolio for maximum ROI, right? We are dropping brand new gem videos over there every single day. You can build a phenomenal portfolio with the education and the opportunity that you're getting with these gems that we drop. We drop gem videos every day. We tell you about the project. We tell you about the tokenomics. We tell you about our price predictions on it. We just dropped one yesterday that we believe is an easy 10x and a possible 100x or more, right? All that and more, guys. We drop these videos every single day, new gems for you to look at and consider adding to your portfolio. Also, guys, listen, a lot of portfolio breakdowns that we do over, because that's what we do. We do one-on-ones. We break down people's portfolios. We help you restructure them for maximum ROI, okay? A lot of people are just all over the place, way too over diversified. $100 here, $50 there, $200 over there. Guys, listen, you cannot do that. You need to maximize the amount of money you can pull out of this bull run. If you're holding 15 XRP tokens, what the hell are you doing, right? There's better ways to allocate that money to maximize the ROI. There's nothing wrong with XRP, but holding 15 tokens is not going to make you life-changing wealth. That is what we're here to try to help you do, guys. Get over there, book your one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. Let's have a look at your portfolio. Let's break it down. Let's see if we can help you rearrange things to maximize the ROI. Let's add a couple of gems in there to make sure you are getting life-changing wealth in this bull run, guys. Also, we're live over on the Patreon every single day. The group chats are going 24/7. It is phenomenal help. We have a Patreon-only Discord group as well. You can join. You get that for free. Booking your one-on-one coaching calls with me, that's free as well with your Patreon. So check it out, guys. Again, it's all for the price of a Happy Meal, too. It's absolutely insane. These other channels are charging you over $100 a month for cookie cutter plans that they give to everybody, where we customize your portfolio like a fingerprint to you to maximize the return on investment that you're trying to make. We need to know your goals, your ambitions, your fears, your doubts, so that we can help you as an individual. We're not trying to give you a cookie cutter plan. So check it out for yourselves, guys. The link is down below. Once again, get yourself a decent self-custody wallet as well using our link down below for a special deal. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.